How to set your RTX GPU as the default graphics card. If your PC is using integrated graphics instead of your NVIDIA RTX GPU, this video will show you how to set your RTX graphics card as the default GPU. First, click on the Windows icon and open Settings. Now, select Display. Scroll down and click on Graphics. Here, you can choose the app or game you want to use with your RTX GPU. Select the application, click on GPU Preference, and choose High Performance to use your NVIDIA RTX graphics card. Now, the selected app will use your RTX GPU instead of the integrated graphics for better performance. That's how you can set your RTX GPU as the default graphics card in Windows. If you found this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.